Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to duet with your own video on TikTok. So, first, open the TikTok app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see the posts you have uploaded. Choose the post that you want to make a duet with and tap on it. Once you open the post, you will see the share icon on the right side of the screen. Tap on it. Now, from the pop-up menu, tap on the option Duet. And it will allow you to make duets with your own video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to duet with your own video on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.